Best 10 Espresso Machine. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Specifications. Type: semi-automatic, bean hopper capacity, 1/2 lb. Water tank capacity, 67 ounces. Size, WXDXH, 12 inches by 11 inches by 13.5. Shipping. Free. Warranty, 1-year limited product warranty. Pros. Integrated burr grinder for freshly ground coffee. Built-in steam wand for frothing. Single and double shots available. Cons. In a higher price range. DeLonghi Specialista Espresso Machine. Specifications. Type: automatic. Water tank capacity, 67.6 ounces. Size, WXDXH, 12.4 by 14.5 by 17.5. Shipping. Free. Warranty, 2 years. Pros. Built-in grinder with 6 settings. Integrated tamping system for a mess-free kitchen. Steam wand with 2 settings. Cons. Some complaints about the water sensor. Espressione Concierge Espresso Machine. Specifications. Type: super automatic. Bean hopper capacity, 0.35 lb. Water tank capacity, 40.5 ounces. Size, WXDXH, 7 inches by 15.6 by 12.4. Shipping. Free. Warranty, 1-year limited warranty. Pros. Integrated stainless steel coffee grinder. Frothing nozzle for a creamy cappuccino. Small footprint. Cons. Some user complaints about the bean hopper. Capresso Ultima Pro Espresso Machine. Specifications. Type: semi-automatic, water tank capacity, 34 ounces. Size, WXDXH, 8 3/4 by 10 inches by 11 3/4. Warranty, 1-year limited product warranty. Pros. Very easy to use. Programmable cup buttons. Frothing wand for silky foam. Cons. A bit loud. Nespresso VertuoPlus by Breville. Specifications. Type: single-serve pod machine. Water tank capacity, 40 ounces. Capsule container capacity, 10 used capsules. Size, WXDXH, 8.7 by 12.7 by 12.8. Shipping. Free. Warranty, 1-year limited. Pros. Very simple to use. 4 cup sizes. A variety of high-quality blend options. Cons. Not customizable. Keurig K-Café registered single-serve coffee, latte and cappuccino maker. Specifications. Type: single-serve pod machine. Water tank capacity, 60 ounces. Size, WXDXH, 15.3 by 11.7 by 12.5. Shipping. Free. Return policy, 30 days. Warranty, 1-year limited warranty. Pros. Integrated frother with a cold setting. 4 cup sizes. Travel mug friendly. Cons. Can't brew coffee with a silky cream. Krups EA89 Full Auto Espresso Machine. Specifications. Type: super automatic. Bean hopper capacity, 0.5 lb. Water tank capacity, 77.7 ounces. Warranty, 2 years. Pros. Very easy to use. 15 preset drink options. Integrated grinder and milk. Cons. Higher price tag. Mr. Coffee Occasions Coffee Maker. Specifications. Type: single-serve machine. Size, WXDXH, 7.1 by 13 inches by 15. Water tank capacity, 55 ounces. Warranty, 1 year. Pros. Also brews traditional drip coffee. Compatible with K-cup pods. Built-in wand for frothing milk. Cons. Somewhat noisy. Gaggia Classic Pro Espresso Machine. Specifications. Type: manual. Water tank capacity, 71 ounces. Size, WXDXH, 8 inches by 9.5 by 14.2. Warranty, 1 year. Pros. Simple to use. Professional steam wand. Affordable. Cons. No integrated grinder. La Pavoni Europiccola espresso machine. Specifications. Type. Manual. Water tank capacity. 20 ounces. Size. WXDXH. 7 inches by 11 inches by 12 inches. Pros. High quality espresso machine. Very durable. Built-in milk frother. Cons. Require some effort and practice.